Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent, teaching instructor with IRS. Welcome to my YouTube station, the home of the 5 minute or less video. I've worked about 10,000 cases. I have a whole team of former IRS agents on staff. Many of you have come to me because you've seen all my national broadcasts. You can look at those at 777irs.com. More importantly, rather than looking at me again, just look at my talented staff. We are really, really good. I do these videos for 3 reasons: so you don't get ripped off, so I can tell you insider information when I can. I do take questions from you. Many of my YouTubes, as a matter of fact, have come from you. Today I'm going to answer one of those questions so you can ask me those, and I try to educate you so you can make a good decision. Usually if you're looking at YouTube, you want to do the problem yourself, which you should if you can, and other people are looking to hire a professional. So whatever it is. So today, what I want to talk about, it's short and simple and sweet. Are you getting letters and calls and people telling you, hey, you have an IRS problem and we want you to hire us? What is that all about? Here's the bottom line. IRS went ahead and filed a federal tax lien against you. You may have moved, you may never have got it, but if you look at the county records in which you live, you will find that federal tax lien. This is what happens. Companies pay a firm to go ahead, or firms, or many firms with the tax resolution industry, and they go ahead and they dig out all the federal tax liens that have been filed in every single county in the United States all over. And then these people go scrambling in, finding out what your address is, boom, 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 and then you get all these letters and all these calls. They're very robust because this company wants to get you to sign up, and then they're going to sell you to the highest bidder tax resolution company who wants to work your case. That's how this works. So let's pretend I do have a tax resolution company. I don't do this. I hire company A and I tell company A, hey, I need work. They say, oh, we're going to go ahead and get you work. How are they going to get me work? They're going to see who just had a federal tax lien filed, and boom, they're going to send letters and send calls, and then they're going to try to get the information and say, hey, Michael, Mrs. Jones, who that's you, owes tax, and I think that you can help her. Here's her information. Why don't you try to sell her your services? So if you are getting calls and you are getting letters, some of them are nasty letters. There's a letter I read that a company was saying is, hey, if you don't go ahead and resolve your taxes, you're going to get a distraint order. It's a pure lie. I've actually turned that company in yesterday. So I just want you to know, if you're getting these calls and letters, there are people already know you have a lien, and then if you don't know about this lien, the point of this is you better be prepared, because IRS is going to go ahead and start to make a move on you. They could be filing a lien. They filed a lien. They could be filing a levy. They could do wage garnishments. So it's either time for you to call IRS or to call somebody like me or whoever you want to go ahead and represent you. We have a whole team of former IRS agents. This is all that we do. But just remember, if they file the lien, they're already amped up for the next step, and that's for wage garnishment or a knock on your door. So you better consider. If you have questions to ask me, you're welcome to call me, email, leave a comment on my website. If this information was good, which I hope it is, I wish you'd give me a subscription. Why? Subscriptions tell YouTube the information I gave was valuable, so I'd really appreciate it. Anyway, thanks for listening and blessings to you.